The climate changed. Yes, it is difficult to face the facts, but we human beings are no longer Earth inhabitants. None of you watching this now believes this to be true, and we understand. You see, we are the League of Imaginary Scientists, and we are fully aware of what you cannot be conscious of due to your current condition. Your condition? You live in fear of planetary demise, of species extinction and atmospheric failure. We were at the forefront of Earth enterprises before evacuating. We studied the last mammals that had adapted to the desert conditions before disappearing along with others of their ilk. These horses were unusual among their species, requiring a mere 3 liters of water per week for their hydration. The area surrounding these creatures remained green, with plants working overtime in the newly thinned atmosphere. There was a last attempt to balance the environment. An overwhelming outcry against planetary imbalance shifted global opinion so that suddenly, to demonstrate alignment with pre-planetary evacuation extreme actions such as attempts to live off-grid, human beings across the land stood on their hands. Standing on one's hands reveals imbalance like no other action. Standing on one's hands became an act of defiance, a political and environmental action. In those last days, we examined the little things anew, with fresh eyes, choosing what to take and what to abandon, and what to appreciate one last time. At the time before the departure, there was one last outcry. The demand to create balance in the universe, to right environmental wrongs. We asked a profound question. Is there imbalance in the universe? All things tend towards equilibrium. Imbalance is an unnaturally occurring phenomenon, a consequence of human actions and inaction, and one that does exist. Yes, imbalance is real. On the largest scale, equilibrium in the universe doesn't bother with human trivialities. Even the largest objects in our solar system are dwarfed by the sheer mass of the smallest black hole. What then is the importance of an Earth ecosystem? Is this small speck of chaos such a tiny blip on the galactic radar that equilibrium is an inevitability? At this time of intense self-reflection, a time of planetary chaos, we asked, does humanity have a place in the new equilibrium, or does this climactic change spell the end for us all? The League of Imaginary Scientists was quite certain that humanity would find a home in the off-kilter universe. The departure was the beginning of an era of disequilibrium, when we learned to walk on our hands in a grand effort to turn the world right side up again. In this precarious new era, balance looked a lot like imbalance. Now look at you. Look around you. You think you're on Earth still, don't you? The diagnosis? Most of you are afflicted with planetary post-evacuation psychosis, a psychological disorder in which you believe you are still on planet Earth. We were there once. We looked at the empty shells of beauty, examined the world fresh, and then, like you, departed. Only now we are fully cognizant that Earth, with its vast array of species, profligate cell diversification, and voluted atmosphere, is a past participle in the sentence structure of humanity. To that end, we are offering planetary psychotherapy, a regimen for treating the whole individual, for those who are unable to deal with the shock of separation from their home planet. This therapy is comprised of diagnosis. Individuals are interviewed delicately by an advanced computer system and prescribed a therapeutic thought and image regimen that may or may not mediate post-Earth psychoses. Sandwiching. Individuals view laboratory-created sandwich materials as they symbolically stack and consume their Earth-based psychoses while meditating on their memories of the planet Earth. Balancing. Individuals regain a sense of balance in their lives. You, too, are encouraged to stand on your hands. Step inside our gravity chamber. Let the world heavily weight you as you regain balance for yourself, if not for the past participle planet.